This exercise is about cost of shipping. Let me show you the shortcuts. You can type the few characters and then press Tab key. For example, you can type PSVM and press Tab key. It will be replaced with the public static void main. Also, you can use sout for system out println. So PSVM, Tab key, input, process, then output. So we have a function C given W stands for weight. So according to user input, system in. Let me import scanner class. Then we have one output. And then we have one input. Input, next double, okay, output is going to be shipping cost, sout and Tab key. So let me just print message shipping cost is with a $, shipping cost. I will use the full name. Double, shipping cost. It's supposed to be initialized. Let's see what will happen. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 plus package cannot be shipped. We have 5 conditions. So first one, if we say weight less than equal to 2, that will be 2.5. Less than 4. Shipping cost is 4.5. That means it's less than 4, greater than 2. Here, less than or equal to 10, but greater than 4. So shipping cost 7.5. Else if we are going to have weight less than or equal to 20, but greater than 10. Okay. Shipping cost 10.5. One more conditions. Anything else? We assume greater than 20. Then we will just print a message. Output will be a bit funny if we type 25 pound. And let me just quickly check the conditions. You need to carefully interpret the conditions. Okay. Okay, here you go, shipping costs. Okay, shipping costs. You can just look at the netbeans. Okay, give you initialize variable. Okay, it means you need to initialize. Okay, shipping cost with the 0.0. let's say 1 less than 2, so it will be 2.5. Okay, which is correct. Let's try again. Okay, let's say somewhere around 6, so 7.5, which is correct. Then let's say 25. Shipping cost is 0, which is correct because package cannot be shipped. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you.